Today we're going to Walmart.
Your vlogs are low-key sponsored by Walmart.
Walmart actually did comment on when we made gumbo for Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah, that's
Walmart told me that it looked like some good gumbo. So now here we are once again back at Walmart, where we will always be, where our hearts really belong. And today we're gonna tie-dye stuff. Today I'm gonna teach you how to have fun when the coronavirus is a thing. Okay, I got 3 items for tie-dyeing. First, we got this shirt. Pretty cute, obviously. Will be cropped. Shirt, we got a nice, it's actually really nice material. Just a little tank top. Very cute. I got these sweatpants. Now, I know we're a little skeptical of the gray. I just really wanted to tie-dye some white sweats. They didn't have any white ones, so we got light gray. These are from the men's section, and they're actually super duper high-waisted, and like the waist is really tight. These are just a small in men's. I really like the fit of these, so I hope that these ones turn out pretty cool because that's potential for some cool sweats. So let's tie-dye these thotties and see how it turns out. Okay, now the final step of preparation before the actual tie-dyeing. So for the type of tie-dye effect that I'm going for, pretty sure all you gotta do is just kind of take whatever it is. Also, I cut this, so crop that, cropped the other one as well. And then I figured to save these, might be able to make a little tube top or something, but so we'll start with one of these scraps. So I think the way you go about what I'm going for is you just kind of take whatever it is that you're tie-dyeing and just kind of crumple it up into a ball, right? Random. Take your rubber bands. We also just went to Walmart to buy rubber bands, only to learn that this came with rubber bands. So I'm gonna show you around twice. Is that too much? Something like this. Something to this effect. And I don't know what I'm doing, but I mean, it's tie-dye, right? It's kind of one of those things where it's like, can't mess up that bad, right? I hope that's not poor foreshadowing. Okay, so something like this. I think is where we're gonna work with. Let me tie up the rest of them, and then we'll freaking tie-dye. So we have all of our clothes ready to tie-dye. We have our dyes. I have a vision for each of these. I know I'm doing specific colors. I'm worried I'm gonna ruin these sweats though. These are real good sweats. So for my first shirt, I think I'm gonna do pink and purple. I'm nervous. What if it's not good? No, it's gonna be good. So, got them all bagged up, and we'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, everyone, it is the next day, and the tie-dye is finally freaking finished. I just washed all of them and took them out of the dryer. So let me show you all of our final results. Starting off with the sweatpants. So when I went to rinse them out, I was like, damn, these kind of look really horrible. I wish I just didn't even tie-dye them. But as I started to rinse the dye out, all the dye washed literally straight out of them. You can't even tell that I ever tie-dyed them other than, oh wow, even out of the drawstrings. Yeah, so if you're going to tie-dye some sweats or even a shirt, make sure it's not like athletic material. I guess this is kind of, it's not just normal cotton. These are, doesn't say, but yeah, they're more athletic materials, so the dye didn't stay. But that was actually super clutch because I didn't want the dye to stay, and now I have these cute sweats, so that's cool. Anyway, okay, moving on. So the scraps that could be potential tube tops, we have this one. Really not showing up on the camera. It's like pink. The pink washed out a lot, so it's really hard to tell on the camera. You can kind of see where it is. Yeah, this like washed out quite a bit, so also slight failure. And then this one, this is a good one. So we got a little purple action going on. You know, we could figure out a little DIY, little tube top vibe. So I'd say that one was a success. Next, the button down, button up, whatever you want to call it. Okay, she's cute. I wish I had done a little bit more because I think the concept is there, but it's not like, ooh, this one's super cute, but still cute. I'll still definitely wear it. I really like the pink and purple. Lastly, this is one I'm the most proud of, and I'm actually going to be wearing the shirt today. Boom, look at that. This is supposed to be teal, but it really turned out as like a baby blue. I think it's just the material of this shirt, more like spandexy than cottony. So yeah, this one I'm super hyped on. This is so cute. I don't know why I'm just holding them up. I'll try on these two and show you guys what they look like on. Okay, this first one. Okay, now that I actually have this on, I like this even more. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. Front, back. I really like this shirt a lot. I'm actually definitely gonna be wearing this more than I anticipated. Like I put it on, I'm like, ooh, she's cute. Kind of did something. Let's try on the other one. And here is the blue tank top. Kind of obsessed with this shirt. The material is just so nice. Like, I went off. This shirt was literally like $4 from Walmart. $4. Now I have this super cute, trendy shirt that people would probably spend like $20 on. Spent $4. So, you go to Walmart, you buy yourself some shirts. This one was, I think, maybe like $3, $4, $5. This one, $2, $3, $4. Tie-dye kit was like $9. And boom, you can tie as many freaking shirts as you want, expand your wardrobe, catch up on the new trend without freaking breaking your bank. So I'm very content with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, learn a little something, get out there, tie-dye, have some fun with your friends. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, send this video to your grandfather or your grandmother or your uncle or your aunt or your cousin or your dog. If your dog likes to watch YouTube videos, my cat likes to watch YouTube videos. Okay, that's enough. Bye.